A very good morning to all. Welcome to maths class. Now in the previous class we had studied about the exterior angle. The side of an angle when extended forms an angle, and that angle is said to be exterior angle. That means the angle which lies outside the triangle. Now today we are going to study the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. In triangle PQR, angle PRS is the exterior angle of PQR. It is given that measure of angle PRS is 140 degree. Interior angle adjacent to PRQ is PRQ. Now PRS is the exterior angle and the adjacent interior angle is PRQ. The other two interior angles are P and Q, which are further away from PRS. So they are called remote interior angles of PRS. Now out of three interior angles, only one angle is adjacent to the exterior angle. Since the remaining two are far away, that is angle P and Q, so P and Q are said to be remote interior angles. Now you can see here that measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree, sum of the three angles of a triangle. Now PRS plus PRQ is also equal to 180. Why? Because they are the angles in a linear pair. PRS and PRQ, they form the angles in a linear pair. Now if we add both the sides, since 180 is equal on the left hand side, measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle PRQ is equal to measure of angle PRS plus measure of angle PRQ. Now if we remove PRQ from both the sides, we will get measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q is equal to measure of angle PRS. Now PRS is equal to 140 and PRS is the exterior angle. So what is the conclusion is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. I repeat, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its remote interior angles. Remote interior angles are far away from the exterior angles. Hence they are known as remote interior angles. Now we will apply the property of exterior angle to the sum. Angle ACD is exterior angle of ABC. The measures of angle A and B are equal. If measure of angle ACD is equal to 140, find the measures of angle A and B. Now it is given that ACD is exterior and the measure of ACD is 140. Now angle A and angle B are the remote interior angles, and it is given that measures of angle A and B are equal. So let the measure of angle A and B equal to X. Now according to the property, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the measures of its remote interior angle. That means measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD. Now A and B are equal to X. So we can write measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to 140, since measure of angle ACD is 140 and A is equal to B, that means X plus X is equal to 140. X plus X is 2X, 2X is equal to 140, that means X is equal to 70 degree. 140 upon 2, X is equal to 70. So measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B, which is equal to 70 degree. So the property you have to remember is that the remote interior angles, the sum of the remote interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. An isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and B are equal. ACD is exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measure of angle ACB and angle ACD are 3x minus 17 and 8x plus 10 degree respectively. Find the measure of angle ACB and ACD and find the measures of angle A and B. An isosceles triangle is a triangle where two sides are equal. So now we will apply the property of exterior angle of a triangle to an isosceles triangle. Now you can see here A and B given are equal and ACD is exterior angle. We need to find the measures of angle ACB and ACD. The measures of ACB and ACD are given. We have to find the measures of ACB and ACD and also the measure of angle A and B. Now you can see in the diagram triangle ABC. Angle A and angle B are the remote interior angles and ACD is the exterior angle. So we first find the measure of ACB and ACD. ACB and ACD is equal to 180 degree, that is angles in a linear pair. Linear pair, that means the measure is 180 degree. Now ACB and ACD is given 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10. Taking all the x together, 8x plus 3x is 11x, minus 17 plus 10 is equal to minus 7. So now removing minus 7 from both the sides, we will get 11x is equal to 187. So x is equal to 187 upon 11. X is equal to 17. Now measure of angle ACB is equal to 3x minus 17. Instead of x we will put 17. So 3 into 17 minus 17, that is 51 minus 17 is equal to 34 degree. So measure of angle ACB is 34 degree. Now measure of angle ACD is equal to 8x plus 10. Instead of x we will write 17. 8 into 17 plus 10. So 8 into 17 plus 10 is equal to 136 plus 10, which is equal to 146. So measure of angle ACD is equal to 146 degree. Now we will find the measure of angle A and B. Angle A and B are remote interior angles of an isosceles triangle ABC. So A plus A is equal to B. This is given. So measure of angle A plus measure of angle B will be equal to x. Measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B equal to x. Measure of angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Sum of the interior angles. So x plus 34 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 34 is 2x plus 34 is equal to 180. Removing 34 from both the sides, 2x is equal to 180 minus 34. So 2x is equal to 146. X will be equal to 146 upon 2. Dividing 2 on both the sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. So x is equal to 73. So measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B is equal to 73 degree. I hope you have understood the property of exterior angle of a triangle. Thank you.